How's it going, rednecks? I'm out here in my recently cleaned garage getting ready to destroy it. And the reason for that is going to be because I'm getting ready to build something epic. And what is that going to be? Well, let's pop this door open and take a look. There you go, a 2002 Chevy Tahoe that is hopefully going to be the replacement to disaster transport. Well guys, I would have liked to have shown you the vehicle outside, but it is fall right now. It's about 40 degrees out there, and I have a heated garage, so I figured I'd show you what the truck is looking like. And yeah, she's in rough shape, but it's got a solid body. And I tell you what, when I'm 100 feet in the air, you're not going to see all these dents, rusted wiper blade, cracked windshield, this scratch, chipped paint, wrecked mirror, that dent, all those dents, this scratch, that dent, this chrome, whatever happened to this badge, these scratches, that dent, this scratch, these scratches, that massive dent, smashed in rear bumper, this face, smashed in rear body, little bit of oxidation, that dent, that massive gouge, that dent, this huge dent, that dent with some rust. This side had the same problem with the badge, that chip, chrome all messed up on this side, that dent, this scratch, that dent, that chip of paint, all that paint missing, clear coat peeling, more clear coat peeling, bunch of missing paint and scratches, clear coat missing, broken headlight, busted grill, and faded hood. With all of them problems, this body is solid. If we take a look, common areas for these things to rust out are these lower panels or the rockers. They're all solid on this thing. A little bit of bubble rust down here, but it's still solid. Same thing with the fenders. These fenders all like to rust out. I'm going to deal with them few scratches and dents, and I would rather have a solid body. Now let's get to the interior. Now I'm going to try to be nice because I know the previous owner of this vehicle watches my channel. But, I mean, yeah, this is nasty. There's panels missing. Steering wheel's all taped up. I don't know what's growing on the center console. Seats are torn. The glove box is actually screwed shut. Then we get to the back. We have both rear door panels missing. And I don't know what we're trying to grow on the carpet here, but that is disgusting. Same thing with the seats. They're pretty nasty. And then the back seats as well, they're not as bad. But I don't care about none of that because all this is getting ripped out just like disaster transport, throwing a roll cage in, and then I'm going to replace the seats. With all that being said, my videos on builds like this typically don't do that well, so I'm not going to fully document me removing the interior, but the first thing I'm going to do is remove the interior. So I'm going to get to that, and I will get back with you guys when we hit a milestone. Alright rednecks, we have the driver's seat won't move, and these controls weren't doing anything, and Bolt tried helping. That didn't do nothing. I have no power at my plug-in, and I checked all my fuses. Passenger side one works. So what I ended up doing is I grabbed my scooter battery, and if you look down here, there's a plug-in. I unplug that, and the two outside terminals are your positive and negatives that you want to run. So I'm going to have to flip-flop it. Right now I have the seat all the way backwards. I'll switch those around, and I can move it forward. And as you can see, we already got the rear seats out, and you're starting to see what I was talking about, that carpet. Yeah, this has to go. Well, there we go. We have all the seats out. You can start to see how dirty this stuff really is when you get a nice clean section like that right there exposed. Used to be where the center console sat. So I'll go outside and I'll show you the seats. Then we're going to start removing all the trim pieces, and we're going to get this carpet pulled. There we are. This is the third row. Then we got the second row bottoms and backs. And then that's your first row with the center console. Yeah, I am not going to be sad to see this nasty stuff go. Ugh. Well, there you go, rednecks. As you can see, we have all the plastics out. The rear carpet sitting in the back underneath the truck. The front carpet's right there. And if we take a look at the front floor section, this is what I was worried about. A lot of people will come in their vehicle with wet feet. It'll soak the floor, rust it, It's all solid. Rest of the vehicle looks all solid as well. So that's going to do it for this video. I kind of wanted to just go over the vehicle in general with you guys, as well as make sure this floor is solid. So we definitely have more work to do. I think the next thing I'm going to be doing, or the next video I'm going to do, will be on pulling the front clip off so I can get a 3D scan of the frame. But yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work. And thanks for your help, Matt. He helped me tear the interior apart, and he's got something to say.
Get back to work.
That's right.